Okay, so now we are ready to drive our first cone into position. So what we'll do now is we'll take off this hose clamp up top here, the one that we use just to keep the strands of the second layer from splaying out. Okay, and we'll slide our cone down. Now we'll come in with our punch. The largest of the three punches. And it corresponds to the OD of the cone. Now as we come down with this, again be careful not to start unraveling the second layer of armor's strands. So now we have our punch on top of our cone. And we are ready to hammer it into place. So we are going to remove this hose clamp from that piece of, that layer of electrical tape we put on. Like so. So now we are ready to punch our first cone into place. What's going to happen is as we hammer down on this cone, the electrical tape will hold the strands close to the cone, but will finally break once we hammer it down enough and into position. So you want to hold the core kind of straight up and just come on down. And there we go. That is our first cone hammered into place. We can now go ahead and remove the driver. And as you can see, the cone has now sandwiched the outermost layer of armor against the wall of the socket.